Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we are installing some side skirts for Bradley's car at Speed 3. And just a little mod to get his project going. He already got a lip since he got it. Since he bought it, he actually bought it like severely modified. So it's got the evil wheels. He put the lip on. We put the headlights on. Stage 3 ED5 with the Cork Sport exhaust and a lot of Cork Sport parts. You can see all the flames he shoots. And yeah, we're gonna get the side skirts on, and we're just looking for some washers, and you guys will see the end result of that, and we'll see what happens today. Right, boys, do we got them washers or what?
No fucking idea, bro.
Oof.
My dad cleaned the garage, so I don't know where anything is.
There should be some. There's gotta be spare washers. Dude, everyone has washers. Probably in there.
The guy that I bought it off of, he said
yeah, it'll be side skirts, so does it really matter? Alright, so that's a little mock-up of the side skirt. Yeah, that's how it's gonna go. Gotta just remove that little rubber piece right there from the jake, and it fit perfectly. Now we're just gotta get it screwed on. So let's do that. Alright, first side skirt's on. It's actually easier than we thought. Smocking it up was the harder part because we didn't know how it was supposed to go. But it's already on there. You just gotta remove this piece right here, which goes right there, so it can be like a flush fit. You don't really need this. Yeah, just gonna do the other side, repeat it, and drop it on the ground so we can see how it looks, the final result. Hi everyone, my girlfriend just wants to say hello to the vlog.
Love you.
And what are you gonna tell them, babe?
Like and subscribe and comment below.
Right, boys, finished the job. Just gonna drop the car. Oh my god. Alright, it's on the ground. It's on the ground, boys. Let's move this jack. Let's see the end result.
pretty clean.
Okay. Looks better. Looks lower. You can barely tell. You can see they're there. Bradley just needs to go a little lower. They look nice overall for what they are. How much you get them for, Bradley?
I got the lip and the side skirt for $100.
Oh, that's a steal. Just gonna clean this up a little bit. We'll put some tire shine or some interior little spray and call it dunsies. It's looking good. Install was fairly easy. Just had a little fitment issue on that side, but gotta figure it out. And there you go. Yeah, California, yeah. All right, put a little bit of tire shine, change up the color a bit. Not too bright, but something. Side skirts are there. And she all done. I like look, Bradley.
I like it.
Subtle, but
It's not a major difference, but adds to it a little.
I feel like when you drive it or put it on the street, it's gonna look different for some reason. Probably.
Need diffuser next.
Yep. Project M gave this man a diffuser. Give him a discount. So right now, probably no one knows this, but the boys got another Speed 3. Speed 3 bros. And they're gonna let me take it for a little test drive. Just wanna see how it feels. It probably feels like my old one. Both stock. But this thing is mad clean. They got it for a great deal from a friend. And honestly, like, it's brand new, stock, just has an intake, a few little goodies, short shifter. So gonna take it for a little rip and see how it goes. All right, boys, we got the keys. Let's take it for a little drive. Let's give it a little cold start. Oh, it's got a short shift here. Oh my gosh, she is so quiet. Only with 68,000 miles. That's so like nothing. I think that's for the, it's cold. The engine's cold, so it turns on. Turn the lights on. Oh, I didn't even know how to work a Gen 3. It's a nice car. Guys, that's gonna conclude it for today's video. It's just a little small side skirt install on Bradley's car. We'll end up getting more pictures and stuff later on, but apparently it's raining again and there's thunder, so it's gonna be more fires, and that's not good. So just want everyone to stay safe once again and just be with your families. Sorry for the I don't know, I'm like super tired right now, so we're gonna go grab some food and chillax. So I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Don't know what the next content will be after this, but we'll figure something out. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, and comment, and until next time, bye.